most of you could skip example 4. However, I'm going to go through it with you. This has a concept called solving equations that are quadratic in form, which for what we've been doing in pre-calculus, I don't think is necessary. Now, for my concurrent enrollment classes, they do need to know this. So, what we're going to do is do a u substitution. So if this makes no sense, just skip to the next video. Our u substitution is going to be e to the x. So we're going to replace this e to the x with a u, and we're going to replace this e to the x with u. Now we just have a quadratic to solve. So I'm going to factor it. Let's see, values of -10 that will add up to 3. So I believe that'll be a +5 and a -2. So +5 and -2 is -10, and +5u and -2u is +3u. So u plus 5 equals 0, which means u equals -5. And then u minus 2 equals 0, which means u equals 2. So now we take our substitution and we plug these back into our substitution. So that's going to give us two equations to solve. We're going to have e to the x equals -5. And then this one would be e to the x equals 2. Well, this one goes along with item 4 on our steps for solving, because this side is negative, and that's impossible. So this one has no solution. That doesn't mean the whole problem has no solution. It just means that that portion of it has no solution. So on this one, we're now going to use a natural log to solve this by taking the log of each side. So I'll go natural log e to the x equals the natural log of 2. We move the x to the front. Natural log of e is 1. So we actually have x times 1 equals natural log 2, which means we have our answer. X equals the natural log of 2. And if we really want an answer not stuck in a logarithm, that we can kind of visualize what that answer means, so an approximate answer, it would be 0.6931 or something like that when I use a calculator to compute that.